Hello friends, third chapter electrochemistry. In previous lecture we will completed Nernst equation theory. Now we will start numericals and numerical number in text question numericals 3.4. Numerical question is calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. Here hydrogen electrode word is present. That's why compulsory equation present of hydrogen. That's why here H plus ion when convert into hydrogen gaseous. Clear? See here H plus valency plus 1 charge present. Here E minus 1 electron remove. That's why here 1/2. And when multiply by 1/2 then convert into elemental medium of hydrogen means H1. And in your question pH is 10. This type of word is present. That's why pH is equal to 10. And when concentration medium of hydrogen, that's why H plus ion concentration medium is 10 raised to minus 10 molar. Molar and normal indicated its concentration medium. That's why here when according to Nernst equation, you know Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus RT divided by NF log concentration medium of when one element or one ion present then 1 upon H plus. Clear? When according to Nernst equation then E cell of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion means H plus single vertical line 1/2 H2. Clear? Is equal to E0 cell of H plus single vertical line H2 gaseous plus here when RT divided by NF. Clear? RT divided by NF ln 1 upon H plus. This one is a Nernst equation. Now second thing, when ln word removing then entering log log. That's why here E0 H plus single vertical line 1/2 H2 minus 2.303 RT divided by NF. Value which one used? 2.303. That's why compulsory ln1 convert into log word. That's why log 1 upon H plus. Second thing, when in above lecture we will already studied about this equation, and this equation value when we will put then gives us which value? 0.0592. That's why directly here we will use H plus single vertical line 1/2 H2. Now 0.0592 divided by n is equal to charge. Then here plus 1, that's why here 1 log 1 upon H plus. 1 upon H plus means 1 upon H plus is equal to its concentration medium, then 10 raised to minus 10. And here E0 cell value, here 0 used. Why? Because in your table already hydrogen to hydrogen plus indicated by bold word or bold line, hydrogen EMF electron potential cell value is equal to 0.0 volt. That's why directly here we will put 0, either 0.0 volt minus 0.0592 log 10 raised to 1 upon 10 raised to minus 10 means when here log 10 to the power 10 10 to the power 10 present in dividation as a denominator present, that's why this one convert into its positive sign. And you know 10 log 10 when we will write, then log 10 value is which one? 1. Consider. That's why here 0.0592 multiply by 10. Clear? And gives us here answer. Directly here I will write answer 0.0592 multiplied by 10. That's why here 0.592. This one is the answer of given numerical. This one is a question number 3.4. Now in question, calculate the potential of hydrogen. Potential, that's why its unit is volt. Clear? See 3.4 numericals, and here just gives us pH value of hydrogen. That's why how to use and how to write, then this type of formula when used, then gives us easily answer. And this one is a very easy, and this type of question present in your question paper like 2 marks question. Clear? Now we will start question number 3.5. In question number 3.5, calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction take place. Means one reaction is given like nickel solid plus 2 Ag plus, and Ag plus in bracket gives us concentration value. Which one? 0.002 molar. This one indicated its concentration value. And when nickel convert into nickel plus 2, then also given its concentration value. Then Ag plus convert into Ag, and here gives us E0 cell value. Means calculate the EMF of the cell. E cell is equal to question marks. Now we will start question number 3.5. Then please you can take fastly one screenshot because this one is important, that's why. Okay. Okay, now start 3.5. 3.5 for nickel and silver. This type of when two half cell is present. Here first I will write equation. Which one is given? This one is nickel solid 3.5. Nickel solid plus twice Ag plus in bracket 0.002 molar gives nickel plus 2 and its concentration value 1.60 molar plus twice Ag solid. This one is given. Now E0 cell value also given. E0 cell is equal to 1.05 volt. Then in your question E cell is equal to question marks. Means when according to Nernst equation, that's why how to calculate. You know Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus RT divided by NF ln. And here two types of ion is present like nickel and silver. Then see, nickel works is oxidation, and oxidation always on anode. That's why when anode upon cathode we will use. That's why compulsory first we take Ni plus 2 and divide by Ag, twice Ag plus. Here gives us twice Ag plus, that's why Ag plus raised to square. Clear? And here some value is given. Means E0 cell is equal to 1.05 minus When here ln convert into log, then convert into 2.303 RT, n is equal to 2 multiply by f, here log log nickel plus 2 divide by Ag plus raised to square. And friends, you know, when multiply and divide by this all value like 2.303 multiply by gas constant value multiply by temperature and Faraday constant, then gives us directly 0.0592. Here 1.05 minus 0.0592 divide by 2 log nickel plus 2. Nickel plus 2, its concentration value also given in small bracket. That's why which value is used? 0.160 divide by Ag plus is equal to 0.002 raised to square. Clear? Then 1.05, first of all, here we take 0.02 square, then gives us 0.160 divide by square, that's why 0.000, total 4 times 0 present, and 2 to the 4, that's why here 4. Second thing, when division and multiplication occur between them, then 1.05 minus 0.0592 divide by 2, then here gives us which one value? Minus 0.02955 log when division occur, then log 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4. Clear? That's why here 1.05 minus 0.02955 and log in bracket log 4 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. That's why log 1000 plus log 4, because 10 to the power 4. That's why 10 to the power 4, 40 present. 4 digit is present. Second thing, when you can use log table, then log 4 means log 40 and this one 40 to 0, that's why gives us which value? 1.05 minus 0.02955, then 4 plus 0.6021, this one is a log value. Second thing, when addition and multiplication occur, then gives us 1.05 minus this one is value, and when between them addition and when multiply by this value, then directly gives us which one answer? 0.914 volt. Clear? Why this type? Why 4 used? Why 10,000 used? Then you know easily 10,000 in place you can also use 10 to the power 4. Okay. Now second thing, again I will tell you this way. This one is a calculation of E cell, EMF, potential, either electro potential cell. When standard word used, then raised to not, either 0 sign is present, and this type of numerical when present, then compulsory used or according to Nernst equation used. Nernst equation general formula you know, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus RT divided by NF ln anode upon cathode. and anode which one and cathode which one, then you can identify it by this given equation. When nickel solid to nickel plus 2, then lose of 2 electron. That's why easily identified. This one is the oxidation, and Ag plus 2 Ag, this one indicated gaining of electron. And which one is gaining? Which half cell? Then reduction half cell. And reduction half cell always on cathode, and losing of electron always on works as the oxidation half cell, and this one also present in anode half cell. That's why anode upon cathode. And in this bracket gives us this value used in concentration. This one indicated concentration medium. Why? Because here we will use this one is a big bracket. Clear? Big bracket sign indicated concentration solution, either concentration medium of given ion. Okay, that's why easily calculate E cell value. Now next one is 3.6 numerical number 3.6. Then please fastly take one screenshot for in-text number 3.5 question. Now start 3.6. 3.6. The cell in which the following reaction occurs. Here one cell is given like Fe3 plus aqueous plus 2I minus gives 2Fe2 plus I2. Then E0 cell value is also given 0.236 volt. At temperature is also given 298 Kelvin temperature. Then calculate the standard Gibbs free energy, means delta Rg0 is equal to question marks, and the equilibrium constant of the cell reaction, Kc also question marks. Then how to calculate it? First given value is E0 cell. E0 cell is equal to 0.236 volt. Now second one is here in equation charge is also present, that's why N is equal to 2. Why? Because in your equation 2Fe3 plus and 2Fe2 plus and 2I minus, this type of charge is present. Easily we can identify N is equal to which value used? 2. Now second one is temperature is also given 298 Kelvin. Then delta Rg0 is equal to question marks, Kc is equal to question marks. First we will calculate it delta Rg. Delta Rg0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell. Then N value we have also present like 2 multiplied by Faraday constant 96500, either 96487, multiplied by E0 cell value 0.236. When this all value put in given equation, then gives us answer like 45541 minus 4541.864 joule per mole. When joule convert into kilojoule, then gives us which answer? Joule convert into kilojoule, then minus 45.541.864, then kilojoule per mole. Clear? This 3 digit move on right hand side, means this one indicated 10 to the power 3000. That's why. Next one is delta Rg gives us this equation, means value is also present for standard Gibbs free energy. This one present in kilojoule value. Now when we cut this equation value, standard gives free energy, then easily we can use next our equation for calculation of Kc. Kc means constant concentration, either equilibrium constant. That's why here symbol used Kc, and its equation is delta Rg0, standard gives free energy, is equal to minus 2.303. Okay, why 2.303 used? Because ln convert into when? Log. That's why R log Kc. This equation also given in your textbook. Here we will calculate Kc, log Kc. That's why log Kc, simple calculation of Kc, but this one is a log Kc present. That's why first here we can use log Kc. Then delta Rg0 divide by which equation? Then 2 point, here minus sign present, 303 R. Second thing, here I will forget T. Then here delta Rg value is minus 45.541864. This value is calculated. Divide by 2.303 multiply by 8.314 multiply by temperature is also given 298 Kelvin, and easily gives us answer 7.981. This one is a log Kc value, but when log Kc convert into simple Kc, that's why compulsory we will take anti-log of 7.981. Then here before decimal 1 7 digit is present, and this one move on 10 to the power. Here anti-log present 9.57, and this 7 move on 10 to the power, means easily calculated Kc value. Clear? See, again I will explain you. You have suppose this all given value, then easily calculation of standard gives free energy, and its formula is minus NFE0 cell. Why? Because here standard, here also given standard cell value, that's why. Then easily formation of gives free energy. Now we have standard gives free energy value, then used which equation? Then delta Rg is equal to minus 2.303 log RT log Kc. Then easily calculation of Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant. This type of numerical practice more and more, because in your exam most important numerical for this chapter, any 1 or 2 numerical compulsory present in your paper, 2 either 3 marks. Clear? Okay, now we will meet again. Thank you.